What are some of the things that they get with the membership? Like what really, if someone was to dive in and they were looking for a home right now to get some advisory council information and really kind of shorten the number of lessons that you have to go through as an entrepreneur, what do you see the biggest benefits they would say about joining TACA?
Well, one thing for our license holders, so for our contractors in Texas, you have to have continuing education. You have to have a certain quantity per year. And so being part of TACA, they receive that at no cost. And so that's definitely a benefit for the contractor members. And so state handles that. State also handles the advocacy. So they're down on Capitol Hill, down in Austin, making sure that the contractors' businesses are protected, which is very important. We have a lobbyist on staff. She's been a part of TACA for 20 plus years. Fantastic example is, back when COVID hit, they made sure that HVAC, that they were considered essential and that we could, our business owners could continue operating their shops. So that's a little bit about what state does.